Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing how to make this beautiful hairband. Come along guys, let's begin. To make this hairband, we are going to be using this piece of silk fabric that I have, and this is what we'll be using. So we're having like two pieces of silk fabric, two elastic for this hairband. Now what you need is you're going to take your elastic measurement for the band behind the head. Then you are going to now take the elastic measurement for the one that is going to be in front. Now the total measurement I'm using for the fabric was 12 inches. So when you fold it, you are going to have like approximately 6 inches. So it depends on you. You can use 8 inches for yours. Then when you fold it and stitch, you'll be having approximately 4 inches. The length of it was 42, while the wideness was 12 inches. That is what I use for the measurement. We are going to fold all of them into two and stitch. Do exactly what I did for mine and do the same thing for yours. I'm going to take mine to my sewing machine now and stitch them. This hairband, I found that it's very easy and beautiful to make. So after stitching it, I went ahead and I took my pin and I'm using a pin to turn it up. You are going to do the same thing for yours. Take your pin or whatever tool you have for turning your fabric and use it to turn it up. After turning it, I'm going to iron it up. You are going to do the same thing for the big part and the smaller part. That's the one for the front and the one for the back. Iron it very well, then you are going to see the beauty of it. Can you see the beauty of it after ironing? See how neat it is. Now you are going to take your ruler and draw a straight line for it, and it's going to be 1 inch. You are going to take the 1 inch measurement from the beginning of the front hairband, sorry about that, to the end. After you are done taking it, you are going to take it to your machine and stitch the straight line. That's the reason why we marked it, so that we'll be able to see when stitching and you'll be able to follow the accurate line because of the elastic. Now I'm going to clean it up so that there will be no chalk on it, there will be no leftover chalk on it. After cleaning it, you take your elastic for the back, the one for the back of the band, and you are now going to insert the elastic. When you are done inserting it, leave a bit of elastic on both edges so that you'll be able to stitch it, top stitch on it. When you top stitch, it's going to be very firm. You are going to do the same thing for the big band. That's the one for the front. Now for the big band, you are inserting it in that 1 inch that you stitched just now. That's where you'll be inserting the big band. Exactly what I'm doing, that's what you are going to do for yours. You are going to insert it. After inserting it, you are going to take it to your sewing machine, stitch it up. When you are done stitching it, you are going to see how beautiful it is. So that's what exactly what I did for mine. I went ahead, insert it, then I stitch it. What I did was I stitched the first part. After stitching the first part right here, I went ahead and drag it up all the way so that I'll be able to stitch the other part. You do exactly what I'm doing for mine, do the same thing for yours. I finished stitching the smaller band, the one for the back. It's time to just drag the one for the front. Now do the same thing that I'm doing, top stitch it. When you are done, you are now going to take the band for the back. Can you see I'm trying to cut out all the excess thread? Now take the one for the back and place it in between. Then when you are placing it, you flip both sides together, let the band for the back be in the middle. Then when you flip it, you top stitch. Now because I'm using my tabletop machine, whenever I'm top stitching this, making a thick stitch, I always use like 4 inches or 5 inch stitch. I usually adjust my machine to the bigger stitch in order for me to stitch both sides because of how strong it is. This is how it looks after stitching. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. This tutorial is short and is very easy to make this hairband. Now you can make this hairband and take it out to sell, And I'm telling you, you can actually sell this for 1 5 2,000 naira. It depends on your location. You can even sell it for 5,000 naira, and people will be willing to buy it because it's unique and it's different. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. God bless you. Bye, guys.